For today's travel, we are going to Jose Panganiban in Camarines Norte. This place has definitely a great landscape. They have several hills and mountains that will allow you to view the whole municipality, not to mention the different beaches, including the well-known Parola Island. If you are going to commute, then from Daet, ride a bus directly going to Jose Panganiban, and when you reach the terminal, you can arrange your transportation by either riding a tricycle or renting a habal-habal or motorcycle around the area. If you have your own service, then just kindly open Google Map and search for the specific location. So tara na, biyahe na tayo! Travel wouldn't be complete without karaoke, so sit back and relax. Let me sing for you.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang gumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang tala. Masdan mong aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo bang sumama? Di mo na kailangan lang magdabot na hiya. Di mo na kailangan lang umanap ng iba. Kalimutan lang muna ang lahat ng problema. Huminga ka lang malalim at tayo'y lalarga na. Handa ka na bang gumala?
Ayan guys, so dapat liliko kami dun sa may barangay center. Kaso, nakalagpas na kami. Hello naman dyan sa guide namin, oh.
Wala, ganda lang.
Ayan, so...
Ilang years na nakalipas.
So, ito na guys, babalik na kami. So. We are on our way to Turayog View Deck that is physically located at Sitio Turayog, Barangay Lucluca Norte, Jose Panganiban. Welcome to Turayog View Deck! Ay, nako, eto na naman. Akyat. Ilang steps kaya to? 127 steps? Oh, no. Pero, ang ganda. I'm sure much better sa taas. I can't really wait to see it. Doon na yung dalawa kong pinsan. Nauna na. Hinihintay ko lang si Papa tapos yung kapatid ko. Medyo marami-rami pang steps. Pero may pahingahan naman. I'll give you a minute to enjoy the scenery. Guys, super ganda, as in sulit, and it would only cost you 20 pesos for the entrance, and then ito na yung view na makikita nyo. Oh, diba? Wait lang, that's just the other side. Meron ba dito? Oh, huh? Ayan. Oh, ganda. you have a partner, this is really the best place for you. On my end, I am currently with my family, especially with my father. And it's quite sad kasi hindi niya na ito nakikita dahil bulag na yung father ko. So that's exactly the reason why I am trying to bring him to different places wherein the environment is totally different from the usual environment that we have, because that's how he will be able to appreciate the place dahil hindi niya na nakikita. But that's exactly the reason why I am here, so that I can further explain this to him. Mamemesmerize ka na lang talaga sa ganda ng lugar. And nakita niyo naman, di ba? Hindi naman problema kung umuulan kasi may mga rest house naman.
According to Kuya Buboy, who manages the place, this is a family-owned business, and they have opened the site back in May 2017 with a land area of approximately 2.8 hectares. The development of the site is currently ongoing, and I've had a quick discussion regarding their improvement plans, which I cannot yet disclose, but rest assured that when those plans materialize, wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Time for photoshoot! If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to see more, please click like and subscribe. Thank you for your support and see you on my next video. Bye!